bird on a tree.
As time goes on here while we're sailing, I take the opportunity to shave. These electric shavers, I like them actually. You know, I know they don't do the best job, but if you do it every day, I think it works great, and especially out here. And this one's waterproof. I don't think it floats, but you know, it's good for a quick shave. How do you like it, Sandy? She doesn't care. She never comes near me.
That's correct.
Sailing over to the Gementos, guys. Yeah, first stop, Gementos. Yeah, we're getting down there. And then we'll head over to the Ragas. But beautiful day. We're downwind sailing here. What do we got? We got 2 fishing lines out. The seas are not what Sandy thought they were. Last night she was crucified. Can you steer this boat for a minute? Last night Sandy and I had an argument. Huh, really? An argument? Sandy and I? I mean, how could that ever happen, right? So, you know, oh, it's gonna be, you know, 6 to 10 foot waves out here. Yeah, these are just, oh, it's unbelievable. We came on a perfect day. It was howling all night, don't get me wrong, but I'm telling you, today is a beautiful day, a great day. Sails are up. We got, just to keep the fun police happening, I got 3 reefs in the main today. I got the 3rd reef. I've never actually used the 3rd reef. You know, so we did put the 3rd reef in, no problem. You know, good, never done it. Never seen the need to do it, but it's happening. Yeah, we're happening. So we're on a downwind sail. That doesn't look like we're going fast, but your mind doesn't work the same. Whoa, Sandy, come on. Come on, Sandy. Keep it together here. I'm gonna put a preventer on.
We're going to be changing course soon in 4 weeks.
Okay. So what happens is Sandy wasn't paying attention and she steered off the wind and the boom started to come across. Now the winds are so light today that I haven't put a preventer on, but really, you know, and they've been stable, and you know, it's sort of a downwind sail. It's off the port side, and the danger of that is the boom comes snapping across and break something. Anyways, I should put a preventer on, but I have not. Laziness, complacency takes place, and that's a failure right there. So I am going to put the camera down and put a preventer in. No problem. That's the way it rolls.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. A step back to the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
Leftover chicken sandwiches on homemade English muffins.
Sorry about the wind noise, but this is we're having lunch here just before we go into Dean's Blue Hole. Dean's Blue Hole is located in the Bahamas on Long Island. It's the second deepest after the Dragon Hole in the South China Sea. It has a depth of 663 feet or 220 meters. When you're swimming over this, it is a bit eerie and it's so dark you can't see anything. It's such a deep blue. Anyways, people throw objects like rocks into it and obviously I guess they go to the bottom. But the surrounding edges are pretty cool, and you can see through the drone footage that it can be quite spectacular. They have competitions here all the time. Of course, not today, but it would be cool to see one of these free diving competitions here.